Have you ever come across a message or a user on Telegram that made you feel uncomfortable or maybe crossed the line? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to report someone on Telegram so that you can help keep your chats safe and respectful. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in taking action whenever you spot inappropriate behavior or content. So let's jump right in. First things first, reporting someone on Telegram is actually pretty straightforward, and you have a couple of options depending on what you want to report. An individual message or a user's profile. Let's start with reporting from a chat. If you're in a group or private chat and see a message that violates Telegram's guidelines like spam, threats, or something that's just not appropriate, here's what you should do. Open the chat or group where you found that message. Take a moment here to make sure you've identified the right message. You don't want to accidentally report something innocent. Once you found it, simply tap and hold down on that specific message. A menu will pop up with a few different options, and among them you'll see the report option. Go ahead and tap report. Now let's say the issue isn't just with one message, but you're concerned about the user themselves. Maybe their profile is suspicious, or you've noticed a pattern of bad behavior. In this case, you'll want to report the whole user profile. To do that, just tap on their profile picture or username right there in the chat. This will take you straight to their Telegram profile. Once you're on their profile page, look for 3 small dots in the top right corner. That's the menu button. Tap those 3 dots and you'll see another option, Report. Tap on that. Here where things get important. Telegram wants to know why you're making this report to help them handle it more efficiently. You'll see a list of reasons to choose from, such as spam, violence, or pornography. Take a moment to pick the reason that best matches your concern. If you're not sure which one to choose, don't stress. Just select the one that fits most closely, and know that you're doing your part to help keep the community safe. Now, sometimes after you pick your reason, Telegram might prompt you to provide additional details or context. This is your chance to explain what happened in your own words. You might want to describe why the message or profile felt inappropriate, mention any patterns you've noticed, or clarify anything that wasn't obvious from the message itself. It doesn't have to be a long essay, just a few sentences can help the moderators understand your point of view. Once you're ready, tap Send to submit your report, and that's really all there is to it. Remember, reporting is an important tool. Not every awkward moment requires a report. But when you see something that truly crosses a line, you're helping to create a safer online space for everyone. If it feels a little daunting, don't worry, you're not alone in wanting to make Telegram better for its users. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like and share it with anyone who might need a little guidance. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with reporting on Telegram, drop a comment below. I always read those and try to help out. And if you want more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.